viewers, today we are going to learn how to add another Monzo account. So let's get started. First, remember that Monzo does not allow you to order a second physical card unless your current card is lost, stolen or damaged. If your card is lost or damaged, open the Monzo application, tap freeze under your card to protect your account, and tap replace card to order a new one. Now, if you want to add virtual cards, you can add multiple virtual cards. You can have up to 5 active virtual cards at once, and you can create up to 100 virtual cards every 12 months. To manage virtual cards, go to Monzo application and here go to your account and select virtual cards. Now, if you want to add a second account in Monzo, just go to the account section in the application and tap add another account. You can then open a new Monzo account or link external bank accounts to view them inside Monzo. For business accounts, if you use Monzo Business, you can add expense card holders for your teams. This is done through Monzo Business, and here select team members and add card holder. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.